Good morning, everyone. My name is Marcelino Leandro. I am a student at the Pelita Indonesia Institute of Business and Technology with NIM 255-220-1037. Today we are not just going to write code, but we are going to understand the architecture and logic behind a fundamental program. I will guide you through the precise step of writing, compiling, and running a core decision-making program using the Dev C++ integrated development environment and the powerful C++ programming language. This exercise will teach us about variable, conditional statement, and crucial debugging skills. First, let's begin by preparing our workscape. Please ensure the Dev C++ application is running. Second, we create the source file. To do this, press Ctrl+N twice. This blank file is where our code will reside, and we must first establish the necessary prerequisites. Third, we start the code structure by including the essential library. This instruction is vital. The useStream input or output stream library provide the function like cout and cin that allow our program to communicate with the user. Without it, the computer will be completely silent. Fourth, we define the namespace type using namespace std. By including this, we avoid having to type std before every standard command, making our code cleaner and more efficiency to read. We define the entry point of our program. The main function every C++ program begin execution here. Type the function structure. The int before my special files that the function is expected to return in integer value to the operating system, which the typically 0 if the program executes successfully. 6. Inside the main function, we begin the actual work by declaring the variable that will store the score. We use an integer variable named int. Why int? Because score are whole number. If we needed to store number with decimal, we should use float or double understanding. The correct data type is fundamental in C++. 7. Let's ask the user for the data. We use cout. Cout to display text on the screen, followed by the insertion operation. 8. Now we capture the number, the user type, and store it in our variable and using cin, followed by the extraction operator. We introduce the score intelligence of this program. The conditional statement. This is how the computer make decision. We use the if-else structure to check if the score meet the passing requirement 80 or above. 10. We must finalize the program by signaling its successful completion and closing the main function block. Return 0. This return 0 command full files the requirement of the int main In conclusion, programming is a sequence of precise steps. Review your entire code structure. Pay attention to case sensitivity. Use semicolons after every statement and embrace the compiler log as your guide. If you follow these steps, you will successfully code this simple C++ program. Thank you for your attention.